Well, it's been a few months that we're speaking about the kind of increase in the retail participation as far as the Indian equity markets are concerned. Well, there happens to be another category that seemed to be benefiting from the increased traction in the stock markets by the retail participants. And this is the Indian exchanges and all the trading platforms that are linked to the stock markets. From within the listed space, we have the MCX, BSE and CDSL that have seen a significant up move from their March lows. Taking a look at the statistics, well, the crash momentum has continued in the month of August as well. It has witnessed an improving trajectory on a month-on-month basis, and for August it remained strong and robust. If I look at the NSE's average daily turnover value, it grew by almost 81% on a YY basis, while for BSE it witnessed an uptick of around 75% compared to what it was in the previous year. Well, the picture is same in the derivatives segment also. The NSE's average daily turnover here grew by almost 23% compared to previous year. The commodities trading is indicating a similar picture. The MCX average daily turnover excluding crude witnessed a sharp growth of around 91%, while on an overall basis it grew by 24% on a YY basis. So it indicates that most segments have seen growth both on value and volume terms on a month-on-month basis. Now, what's really aiding this kind of momentum? Like I mentioned, the rise in retail participation, the increased volatility and work from home culture is garnering a lot of traction and is boding down well for the Indian stock markets. New account openings have seen a significant surge as far as the stock markets are concerned. Well, talking particularly about CDSL, it has seen a grown an up move of around 138% from their March lows. In fact, the company has mentioned that the Demat account openings have crossed the 2.5 crore mark for them, which is a significant milestone. In fact, they have added 1.5 crore Demat accounts in a period of less than 5 years, indicating that the investors are now becoming more self-sufficient in terms of opening and managing their Demat accounts. Analysts across the streets are pretty much optimistic as far as the growth outlook for CDSL is concerned, given they believe that the market share gains will be biased towards CDSL going forward, and in fact they added that 81% of the new account openings were with CDSL in FY21 till date. This definitely indicates the kind of growth potential that the company and the business may see. However, there's another fraction of analysts which believe that there has been a rise in the delivery volumes on stock exchanges, but the revenues can dip once the retail deliveries slip on a market downturn. And as a result, they add that the volatile nature of the retail cash delivery volume makes the structural growth uncertain. So these are some of the concerns that a fraction of analysts have been flagging off. But nevertheless, if I look at the overall picture and the stock up move, we have seen a good uptick and traction as far as CDSL is concerned. And there's a community of analysts which believes that the growth potential going forward is pretty solid and robust. As a result, not just CDSL, we have seen all these exchanges and trading platforms gaining as far as their stock prices are concerned.